Day 34 of 60, a very happy Wednesday. It is 36 degrees. That's all I got. Headed to Wawa. Very happy Wednesday, day 34. Look at me, we are. Let him get in. Right, lead bird, lead bird. The drake I saw is a common Scoter. It's not. Is it? Yeah, it's two. You got two. That was a group of commons. You got two drakes though. All right, they saw the flag. Nice. Let them get in. They should curl to the left a little bit. Let them get in now. All brown. And they're all commons though. But you can shoot them if you want. Yeah, they did see the flag. Let them get around the bow. Let's see what we got. It's like common Scoter. Yep, common Scoter. We recycled them. See the drake on the outside? The backbird's the drake. There you go. There you go. Keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. I think we'll go with that one got hit. Drake's dead, yeah, but that one's gonna crash. All right, we'll take a boat ride. We recycled them, good job. Let him get in. Let him get here, let him get here. Oh, it's a bluebill. Greater. It's a big one, man, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a big one. Can't shoot them?
Well, first off, duck season's closed.
Well, that's not really a duck, is it?
Shoot what you can afford. How about that? Big one.
That's not considered a Seaduck.
Common. Oh, we recycled them. Let them get in now. Nice, nice. Yeah, man, the pair off the back were close. Yeah. They were really close right there. Nice job.
The first one I hit.
No, Scoter. One more time, stand up, stand up. One more time. One more time. Uh-oh. Let him get in now. All right, we'll take a boat ride on that one. He got hit too. He's gonna crash. All right, we'll go get him. Old school drake.